Welcome to Tutorial. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Windows Shift plus S screen shortcut when it's not working.
Fix 1. Enable the Snipping Tool shortcut. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to System Notifications. Step 3. Scroll and enable Snipping Tool notifications. Step 4. Now press Windows plus Shift plus S again. Fix 2. Turn on Clipboard History. Step 1. Press Windows plus I to open settings. Step 2. Go to System Clipboard. Step 3. Turn on Clipboard History. Step 4. Try the shortcut again. Fix 3. Restart Windows Explorer. Step 1. Right-click the taskbar, select Task Manager. Step 2. Find Windows Explorer. Step 3. Click Restart at the bottom. Step 4. Test the shortcut. Fix 4. Enable Snip and Sketch in background apps. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to Apps, Installed Apps. Step 3. Find Snipping Tool. Step 4. Make sure background app permissions are set to Always or Power Optimized.